In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color to your Google Calendar. Adding color can be a simple yet effective way to organize your schedule, making it easier to differentiate between different types of events at a glance. So let's dive right in and get your calendar looking as vibrant and organized as possible. First, you'll want to open your Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to calendar.google.com and logging in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see your calendar displayed in front of you with all your scheduled events. Now, the next step is to choose the specific event or calendar item you want to change the color of. Take a moment to decide which event needs a splash of color. This could be a recurring meeting, a personal appointment, or perhaps a special event that you want to stand out more prominently. Once you've selected the event you want to modify, look for the vertical 3 dots icon. You'll find this icon right next to the event title on your calendar view. Clicking on these dots will open a menu with different options related to the event. In this menu, you'll see a variety of color options available to choose from. These colors can help you categorize your events according to their type or priority. For instance, you might use blue for work-related meetings, green for personal appointments, and red for important deadlines. Simply click on the color you prefer for this event, and voila! Your event will now appear in your chosen color. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily add a touch of color to your Google Calendar. Not only does this help with visual organization, but it can also improve your productivity by allowing you to quickly identify and prioritize your tasks. Before wrapping up, here are a few additional tips. If you find yourself frequently adjusting colors, consider establishing a consistent color coding system that you apply across all your events. This way, over time, you'll develop a natural understanding of your schedule just by glancing at the colors. And remember, you can always change the colors as needed, so don't hesitate to experiment until you find a system that works best for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy organizing!